Do you want to be wonderstruck? What about Northern Lights? Well, keep watching and you'll learn how I created this look by following the directions in our Mary Kay Holiday 2021 lookbook. It is called Northern Lights. So, let's get started. As you heard, we're about to be wonderstruck for this holiday season. What it calls for us to do is our brows. The thing I'm going to do, brush my brows out. Then I'm going to take the brow pencil. Precision brow pencil. Then I'm going to take my brow spoolie and I'm just going to kind of brush it through so that there are no harsh lines. Tint and brunette. Best for, you can do them in whatever order is best for you. For me, I'm going to start with the Stormy, which is my base, and that's just going to be from here to right to where my crease goes. Next, I'm going to take the crease color, which is Starry Night. I'm going to blend that down so it's not as harsh. Smoky Quartz. Bring that color down onto the Starry Night if you feel it's too bold for you. Now I'm going to take my blending brush, blend it out. Now that we have completed our eyes, as you can see, we are going to start with our liner. Don't worry about all the any blending that I went down too far with. I'm going to clean all of that up with a little of the oil-free eye makeup remover. Black waterproof matte liner. Doing a very thin line of that. Next, I'm going to use the metallic at Play metallic eyeliner that really brings this whole eye look together. You always want to shake up any type of metallic eyeliner. Now, as it's drying, I'm going to do Panorama Mascara. Eyes are now complete. So now what we're going to do is it calls for golden copper cheek color. Finish off this beautiful Northern Lights look, we are going to use our cinnamon matte lipstick, and now that we've fixed up our underneath of our eyes, we're going to start with our lip oil. And I just put a little on my finger because I don't ever want a whole lot. So that is the completed look for Northern Lights. Are you wonderstruck? Well, thanks for watching. This was a fun and easy, and it's going to be a fabulous look for the holidays. I chose to wear a lavender top, to not draw away from the fantastic colors of this look. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and ding ding ding, hit the bell so you know when I'm posting new videos. Have an awesome day. Bye bye.